I'm 37 years old. I'm a mother of 4 and I'm married to Charles Chari. Right, I was inspired by my mom. She was a very successful businesswoman. She's now retired. Yeah, she inspired me to work hard. She was a school dropout and she was married very young. I was not good in school, so she encouraged me to work hard. That's how I started. Alright, I did my primary education at Langamvra Primary School from grade 1 to 5. Then grade 6 to 7, I was at Mutare Junior School. Yes. Then for my Form 1, I was at Hartsel Primary School. Then I finished up my O-level at Mutare Girls High School. Okay. I'm a principal and director of Kidi College Group of Schools. We have 2 branches in Langamvra and the one in town, uptown. Then I also have a driving school, 6 years running, City Hills Driving School. Then I also have dollar pantry shops. We do wholesale and retail. We have 3 branches. The one located at 20 Jameson Street downtown. Then the one at uptown, East Ridgemore, shop number 4. Then the one at the John Celentis building, the CBD shop. Then I also have 2 salons, Angels Beauty Salons, the one located at Balmoral and the one located 59 Herbert Chiteko in Main Street. I also have a butchery and a bar in Chianza area. Alright, I have a passion for business. Since ndiri munhu anga asiri good in school, I did not like school much. So ndakaona kuti my strength is in business and I ventured into business with the support of my mother. As a young woman, marriage was one of the challenges. You have to balance work and home. I have 4 kids. It hasn't been easy of late, because you have to manage your husband, the kids, and your business. So it's not easy. You have to work hard and balance your time so that home inobudawo zvakanaka, basa richifambawo zvakanaka. We have business challenges, but we are managing. No, it's not an easy road, but we are managing. Okay, I have received several awards from the Zimbabwe National Chamber of Commerce. I've been nominated in the Mega Fest Awards in Harare, and I've also reached the national level in 2017. I've received more than 20 awards, for the Young Entrepreneur of the Year, SME of the Year, Businesswoman of the Year, and also the one for school. It was Women in Business, Women in Education Award. The one I deserved was the Businesswoman of the Year.
When did you receive it?
It was 2 years back, in 2022. Alright, they motivate me to do more. If you are awarded, you feel that the community is watching you work. Saka zvinondimotivate kuti ndirambe ndichipfuurira mberi, zvichindipa simba rekuti ndirambe ndichienda, since the community and the business sector is seeing that this woman is working. I have business colleagues vandinombogarao navo pasi, vandinombomental, and they've been doing well. Besides my mother, my husband is my biggest supporter. There umwewo aiti handidi kuti ushande nekuti kumba kwakamirira iwe, but he makes sure I balance my things. I love you, Charles Chari. You make life easier for me, because some husbands are jealous of their wives. Avatodi kuti mukadzi aitonga ari kuenda kumberi. Saka I'm happy that you support me and keep on supporting me. I love you. The sky is the limit, ladies. You should know your passion. But I like this, and if you ukaisa shungu ipapo zvinoshanda ende zvinoendeka. Everything is possible. Yes. In the next 5 years, in fact, next year we'll be opening a high school, since we now have 2 junior schools, one in Langambra and one in town. So we are opening a high school from 1 to 6. Yes. In town we've just found a stand, but we can't disclose details yet.
That's fine.
But we are working on opening a high school. Alright, Women's Month is important because ladies kare taitarisirwa pasi zvaita unga kushanda ndekwevarume chete, but now if you have a month to say it's a Women's Month, it motivates us, zvinoita kuti tienderere mberiwo tichiziva kuti tiriko musociety, and every woman is important and zvinotikoshera to be recognized, and tichipiwa mwedzi wedu wekuti ndezvedu isusu vanhukadzi. It's important to us. Okay, yeah, maybe we can have a high tea to women support. Yes, and giving them ideas on how to run a business, how to manage finance, how to do everything from start. I can help them with that. My day is very hectic, I must admit. Running several businesses, more than 7 things, is not easy. So I will have to balance time from my morning until evening. I have to be hands-on. Ukasaita hands-on in your business, unobirwa. So I have to be everywhere. I have to manage my time. I have to be at Kid College Uptown for 1 hour, Kid College Langambra for 1 hour. Yes, I have supervisors and managers, but I have to manage them also, so that I see kuti zvandiri kuda vari kuzviita on time, and my books are being done correctly. So I'm on their toes. So I manage a bit of my time every day to make sure I get to every place where my business is. Ndichiona kuti zvakamira sei.
Haven't you experienced situations where they have stolen from you?
I think it's 70% effective, but the 30% in challenges are because if they see that you have many things, they will take advantage. Yes, and panenge paine malupo zekuti zvimwe zvinhu zvinongobiwa. Yes. Saka we hire and fire, but sometimes unonga uchitomanage kuti munhu wajaira ari nani, and you manage zviripo uchitrai kuona kuti are they not stealing much, nekuti hapana kusingabiwi, but unonga uda kutrai kungomanage kuti are they not taking much. Yes. So pandakatanga, I started last year, and I think it's going on very well. Since I'm well known in Mutare, I get clients.
Okay.
Yes, I get clients. People are referring kuti endai pakati. If your place is smart, zvinoendeka.
Okay.
Saka it hasn't been much of a challenge, but eko zvinoizva kuna basa rakawanda. But we are managing kuti ma levies nema rentals, the place will be settled really okay.
In seeing that we have the Shanghai Expo, Tourism Expo in Mutare this year, how do you envision the business? Do you think that it will be forthcoming when it comes?
My place is nice, and definitely people will come.
Okay, it could be, where are the bed and breakfasts?
Alright, they are located at St. James Court. We have 2 flats there that we use to run the B&B.
Okay, alright.
St. James Court near Chancellor Primary.
Okay, alright. And managing, balancing work life and your family life, how are you doing that?
It's not easy. It's good that I have a understanding husband. Yeah, because at times I'll be in China for 10 days. The next time I'm in South Africa for 2 weeks. So kana usina a spouse are understanding, it will be a very big challenge. When I'm not around, he's supposed to take care of our kids. He's supposed to see that the home things are well managed when I'm not around. I travel a lot. I travel to China, I travel to South Africa to get my orders.
Okay, and the kids, they are how old?
Okay, my other two sons are for high school, and the other 2.
Maybe my age is that.
Alright, it's fine. My firstborn is 14 and in Form 2. The other one is 12 and in Form 1.
Okay.
Yes. The other two are at primary level, grade 1.
These are girls. The younger ones are girls.
No, I have 4 boys.
4 boys.
No girls.
So they are what? The younger ones. They are
6 and 5.
6 and 5. And how are you managing that? I understand that raising boys is it's a job in itself. It's very
It's a
hard.
job.
Yeah.
It's a
So
job.
how are you managing it?
All right. Vana vanoteerera, they are not so difficult to control. Yes, they are my best friends. Since I have no girl child, they are my best friends. So they listen to me and to know really like. Yeah, so it makes the job easy for me because they understand me and vanoteerera.
But are you giving them enough time, enough motherly love? Are they not complaining that, hey, you spend a lot of time at work?
My husband gives them time. Anovapa nguva yekuti when I'm not around, he makes sure they are okay. Yes, and when I'm at home in the evening, I make sure I get there before they sleep. Toita homework. I'm the one who knows homework. Whenever I'm around, I try to make sure that by 7:30 I'll be home and making sure that write our homework. Yes.
Okay, and maybe in conclusion, anything else that we might have left that you feel that it needs to be in the story?
Alright, it's fine. I just want to encourage fellow ladies like me, kuti maybe people think kana usina kudzidza you won't make it in life, but it's a different story with me. Inini ndakagumira O level and ndakaita one subject which was English chete. Then my father was so disappointed in me and she said, no, as a girl child aufani kuzongomirira kuroorwa usina anything kana kuti usina chikoro, because my father was learned. Saka he wanted me to follow his footsteps ekudzidza, but inini it was something that was not in me. So he was disappointed pandakabuda ne1 O level at Mutare Girls High, and it made me repeat the O level, and again ndakabuda futi ne1 subject which was only English. So that's when my mother encouraged me, no, you should not force mwana kuti aite something that is not coming out. Let her try other adventures. That's when I started going to Botswana, Shita cross border, and I started supplying solar systems in the Chiadzwa area. Yes, that's how I started. So it's good kungoziva kuti anything is possible. Even usina kudzidza, you can be a millionaire. Yes, you can reach wherever you want. Yes, I'm a successful businesswoman, but with only one subject. But I'm managing. As long as you can read and write and calculate basic mathematics, you can calculate your business, and anything is possible.